Hello guys, how are you? Have you ever thought why God gave us a brain? God gave us a brain to work out problems. However, we ended up creating more and more of them. Let's put ourselves to the test with some thought-provoking brain teasers. I have lakes with no water, mountains with no stone, and cities with no buildings. What am I? Your time starts now. Tick tick 1. Tick tick 2. Tick tick 3. Have you got it? It's a map. It was a pretty easy one, isn't it? Let's move on to the next one. I'm an odd number. Take away a letter and I become even. What number am I? Your time starts now. Tick tick 1. Tick tick 2. Tick tick 3. I hope you've got it. It's the number 7. Amazing. Moving on. A man was outside in the rain, without an umbrella or hat, didn't get a single hair on his head wet. Why? Your time starts now. Tick tick 1. Tick tick 2. Tick tick 3. Hope you know the answer. You didn't have any hair. Funny, isn't it? Let's see what comes next. What is full of holes but still holds liquid? Your time starts now. Tick tick 1. Tick tick 2. Tick tick 3. Did you get the answer? It's a sponge. Small and useful. Let's look at the next riddle. A man looks at a painting in a museum and says, "Brothers and sisters, I have none, but that man's my father's son." Who is in the painting? Your time starts now. Tick tick 1. Tick tick 2. Tick tick 3. Any ideas who it could be? It's the painting of the man himself. Funny, isn't it? Let's move on. The more you take, the more you leave behind. What are they? Your time starts now. Tick tick 1. Tick tick 2. Tick tick 3. I hope you got it. It's footsteps. Boy, that one was easy. Moving on to the next one. What question can you never answer yes to? Your time starts now. Tick tick 1. Tick tick 2. Tick tick 3. Oh, come on me, think! The answer is, are you asleep yet? It's impossible to answer yes to, as you'll be deep in your dreams. Haha, moving on. Mary has 4 daughters, and each of her daughters has a brother. How many children does Mary have? Your time starts now. Tick tick 1. Tick tick 2. Tick tick 3. Any ideas, anybody? 5. Each daughter has the exact same brother. Hope you got it right. Moving on. What has 13 hearts but no other organs? Your time starts now. Tick tick 1. Tick tick 2. Tick tick 3. It's definitely not a human. It's a deck of cards. Moving on to the next one. What can you hold in your left hand but not in your right? Your time starts now. Tick tick 1. Tick tick 2. Tick tick 3. Have you got it? It's your right elbow. Fun time! Emoji party, yeah. Hope you enjoyed the riddles and had an amazing time. For more fun videos like these, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye! See you next time!